So today we are going to learn about the lesson that is lesson 1, The Devoted Friend by Oscar Wilde. कल थोड़ा नाम वाला lesson किया है, तो that was the arrangement of the previous edition. Now we got the new edition and that started with the devoted friend. ये काम now we full lesson देखा है. ये lesson हम लोग पहले हम but today arrangement देने का है पहले के लिए. पहले हम lesson number 7 और lesson 1 का discussion. तो सामने कुछ recording lesson पढ़ा था कुछ recording तो सामने देखा. Okay. So as you know that in lessons we discover three things. First is vocabulary, and then after we get three reading questions, and then we got the summary. As we can have idea regarding the lesson that what we started. This was the intermediate class. We must know about the concept, the main data, the central idea of the lesson only. That's enough. If you haven't studied, if you haven't read the whole lesson, no problem. Just only the idea. That's what was in the lesson. Now, सिर्फ idea हो जाए, तो lesson देखकर काम कर पड़ो, because that's the वाला lesson से जो interest होगा, लेकिन interest आया तो बड़ी समझा, but ऐसा के जगह रेट नफा की क्या होता को संगे सिर्फ आइडिया हो दे तो लेसन छावलो लेसन केड़ो हो आइडिया केड़ो एक कॉन्सेप्ट केड़ो फर्स्ट ईयर में तो बजे वहां जगह तरीके से बढ़िया कॉन्सेप्ट लेसन से आपका जो भी आइडिया हो नवा लेसन में संगे ये आइडिया हो तो में भी एक आदमी तो वोकेबलरी है वोकेबलरी अंदाजो कुछ हो कुछ है सेल मगाई स्टैंडर्ड है देखिए लेक्चर कौन जाता है बढ़िया में स्टैंडर्ड तो मैं शांति काम में पढ़िए ओके सेकंड वन दी थर्ड इकानी लग पहले है क्या मैं बैठी Okay, so these are the 4 slides. I think we captured it. First one, second, third, and fourth. Okay, so the second thing that we discussed in our lesson that is pre-reading questions. Pre-reading questions are the questions that we have before the lesson. And these questions are related with the idea or the concept of the lesson. Just like the lesson is the devoted friend, means it's related to the friendship. So we got some questions regarding the friendship and you are going to answer me. What qualities make someone a true friend? That's the first question. What do you think? What are the qualities that every true friend should have? Yes. Loyalty. What we mean by loyalty? The one who don't. Achha. Okay. The one who doesn't take bite or don't talk ill about yourself. Okay. Achha. That means loyalty. Okay. He must be supportive. The person who supports us is a loyal person. Okay. Empathy, not sympathy. वही चाहना empathy not sympathy कोई भी स्टेट में मगा लिए चाहता है empathy यूज़र में sympathy ना हो ये ना चाहना तागा माँ भी यही आती okay anything else any other idea do you think the quality okay let me know how do you make friends what on what quality basis you decide that I'm going to be friends with that person what do you observe what are your values regarding friendship similar hobbies okay similar mindset similar thinking is passion means same passion for example somebody wants to do something and you also want that, it's that same patient, and you will be involved in a same mutual discussion regarding that patient. So that's why you say this. Okay. Anything else? Anybody? Yes. Same humor means I'm funny, he's also funny, we make jokes. Very nice. The friend should be called of smile but not a cry. Okay, nice, good one. Anyone else? Behavior. Acha, behavior means a true friend always respects everyone. It doesn't mean whenever we are in a friendship, I've seen this saying in the guild that if you say that he or she is my close friend and he will just talk so abusing language, so you are being so abusive with that person. I don't know why it's happening, but you say that that is my closest friend that talks a lot of things. You know better. I'm not saying those words. The thing is that we have made that environment in our society nowadays, and that's a really less respectful and not good thing. It's a really bad thing that we shouldn't be doing that, but we have created that environment. The person who doesn't respect you means he's not your true friend. You have self-value, you have self-respect. So being a friend, if you are a friend of anyone, try to respect them and say them that respect us also. So being in a respectful relationship, it's more long lasting. Okay? So next thing, can the friendship last if one person keeps giving? Only one person keeps giving and another doesn't. Why? What do you think that doesn't work? Yes.
So because other person will lose the interest and he could be bored and there are other reasons also.
Very nice. For example, if you are sharing something with your person, giving means not only the things, not only the gifts, not only the money. It can be your ideas, it can be your things, it can be your concept, it can be your emotions, it can be your feelings, and different ideas also possible. Whenever you are sharing with that person and he's not sharing with you, you will feel less connected with that person. Means you drop a connection of friendship in that relationship, in that friendship. So always keep giving to somebody who just by the time, that connection that is in the friendship. So it's not worthwhile for a friendship. We have to be like this one. The third question, do you think friendship should be based on give and take? Give and take. And it's not also related, give and take doesn't mean that if I'm giving gifts to you, you should be giving gifts to me. Give and take is doesn't mean that thing of giving gifts things to each other. Give and take is another thing here. If I'm caring for somebody, he should be caring for me. He should care about me also. If I respect somebody, he should be giving respect to me also. That is a friendship. For example, sometimes you give your energy, give your potential, give your ideas, give your thoughts to somebody else, and that person is so old. You do each and everything, but in return you get nothing. Even though he doesn't say thank you to you. I don't know why, but people do that. Because people have become so rigid and so pragmatic also. They just want for themselves. They have become so selfish nowadays that okay, give me that, I want that, and whenever they want something, they are very respectful, they are very funny, they talk very good to you, but when they doesn't when you don't need anything, when you need something, so they just become so rigid and they just don't want to give you anything. They are friendless, a kind of friendless people, and they do not care about your feelings also. That's a kind of means not give and take. Give and take means it should be mutual understanding, and mutual sharing, and mutual ideas. Okay, so the fourth one is that have you ever seen or experienced a one-sided friendship? Have you ever experienced that? One-sided friendship. One-sided means keep giving idea. Means you share something with that person, you give always things to that person, but in return you get nothing. Have you ever experienced that thing? Kaya ka na you experience? Yes? You have heard a lot, but you not experienced it. Okay? अच्छा कितना दो अच्छा what do you think that why people are in one-sided relationship or friendship? Why?
Because they want to be with someone.
They want to be with someone.
Kind of is, there's something, in your change in your home, and you will, you are trying to attract someone. So you want someone to be loved.
You want someone.
To be loved.
Okay, you want somebody to love you.
Yes, sir.
Okay, you want people's attention. That you want people in your area means it's a feeling of inferiority.
We can say attention seeker.
Attention seeker, feeling of inferiority in people. That creates a feeling of kind of the thing that people always say that okay, I'm ready to give everything, but in return you have to be with me. Only be with me. You don't have to give me anything. Just be with me. Just give me a name that I'm your friend. I'm in your relationship. Okay, I'm your boyfriend, girlfriend, like that. But in reality, they are just making themselves happy that they are with us. So they are in a toxic relationship and they are just doing everything for just being in it with them. Like that. I don't know why they're doing that. Seriously. So this thing belongs to the idea of when people start to do friendship with anyone. You have an idea that depends on the friendship case. For example, you want to be friends with somebody, you got to look at someone and the appearance attracted you. That means the way they look, that's wonderful, that's stunning, that attracted you. So now you want to be with them because of their attraction, because of their beauty, because of their looks. आजकल देखो ये कॉमन कर तमाम कॉमन जेकर कोई ब्यूटीफुल लगे तो म्हणजे लुक्स सांग म्हणून का प्या असा खातो ना नी असा आम्ही संबंधित आहोत वो मेल उदे फीमेल उदे बोथ साइड से गाला संजय एकलो यो संख्या है या ता वैल्यू था या you have just put that value in a relationship whenever I'm going to be friends with somebody I'm going to do my friendship on that base मायने बेस से माता ना तो लगा दो स्टार्टिंग मुझे प्यार हो गया ना पता तो थोड़ा निकल गया इसलिए होगा अच्छा है कि यो and another thing is that people decide their friends on the basis of understanding they want to be understood because nowadays we have very less people those are good listeners nobody is ready to listen to us everybody just want to talk to us they want to share means their problems whenever you go to somebody and say there are no problems, they will be starting that saying, I'm in a big problem than you. They will be just saying that. They don't okay maslo. Over the okay they are not ready to listen to you. Few very phone the cell phone made people zombie, a digital zombie, a kind of. Whenever you are somewhere at some place you have just called your friend for a cup of tea and you are sitting together. You are using your phone and he is using his phone. You are scrolling. So why you are sitting together? What you are doing? आजकल काफी सारा बंदा है क्या ना बस ये जीवा कहाँ बैठा है वो कचेरी में घर में बैठा है वो फोन का यूज करेगा कानो फोन पे ध्यान है ऐसा शास्त्र जेको तव्हांजो फोकस आहे उहो हली वियो आहे, माण्हुनि खे ॿुधण जो, माण्हुनि खे सम्झण जो उहो फोकस हली वियो आहे काफ़ी सारो। इन करे अंडरस्टैंडिंग घटि आहे ऐं असांजा जेके रिलेशनशिप्स आहिनि, असांजा जेके सुठा कनेक्शन्स आहिनि, दे आर जस्ट फेडिंग अवे, हलंदा था वञनि, ख़तम था थींदा वञनि सुठा सुठा। पोइ जेको जंहिंसां मिले थो, जेको अचे थो बिस्मिल्लाह। असां हाणे ॿाहिरीं ग्लैमर जे लाइ ॾाढो मरूं था पिया, ॿाहिरों ग्लैमर हुजे, ब्यूटी हुजे, छो त सोशल मीडिया असांखे इहो सेखारियो आहे न ॿाहिरों ग्लैमर। सो ॿाहिरीं ग्लैमर जे लाइ असां ॾाढो थी विया आहियूं, ॾाढा एडिक्टेड थी विया आहियूं। इहा चीज़ अची वई आहे असां में। बाक़ी हाणे रियलिटी खे फेस करण जी हिमत न रही आहे कंहिं में, रियलिटी कीअं आहे, छा आहे, छाजे बेसिस ते दुनिया हले थी। ओके, सो he was the last thing की भाई all of the questions are done. Let's go to the summary. So first we got the introduction of the story, and then we are going to have the summary of that. So let's come to the summary only. Introduction is not necessary because you are going to have whole idea and summary of introduction of that. So the story begins where the water rat asks the duck to leave their ducklings and talk to it. तो वाटर रैट होगा वो डक के चलता है, डक की फ्रेंड हो गया, तो चलता है तो पहले डकलिंग्स के चले बाहर चले मुसाला है, वो के सब गाना है। The duck refuses, which angers the water rat. डक चलता है मार लालची है, बाद में पंगा ले जाते हैं। तो वाटर रैट को वो काफी वाटर रैट को टाइप रैट बोली, तो वो तेरा तो एग्री नहीं हुआ। He argues that one should never refuse a friend. हमने वाटर रैट को ना दोस्त करे भी मना ट्राई कर लो। अक्सर मेरे बॉयज की आदत है ना, ए दोस्त बाबा मुझे दोस्त के माना कि क्या बस संगत ना मना छोकरे की संगत एडी संगत हो गया जे में मना करना है। पापा है खबर पारी ये पुरस्कार आ गई खाली वाला हेलो। So that kind of thing, we limit over years their conversation and reminds the water rat that the friendship should be mutual and based on give and take idea. Explain this. He narrates a story of the little ants and the gully miller. वो एक चिड़िया हो गया, वाले इंडिया है जो conversation के दौरान किया था, वो में के water rat है जो दिया अच्छा गाल लो। जेकर है ये डकलिंग डकचे का गाल तो दे तो कुछ छा कर रिटर्न आएगा प्रेक्षक पाव म्यूचुअल रिटर्न होते गिव एंड टेक वाली रिटर्न होते। आपको उन्हें थोड़ा उदाहरण दिया कि नटी स्टोरी स्टार्ट कर दिया, एग्जांपल किया उनके ये कोई दिखाया हुआ कि वन साइडेड फ्रेंडशिप किया। So once was a sincere selfless young man who owned a small garden selling fruits and flowers for a living. ऐसे को sincere selfless person को इंसान होगा आई पति रोजगार लाए पैसे गुजार लाए से प्लाट सेल करवा परवजीदन में his wealthy neighbor the miller जो बाड़े से युग आए तो ये जो मिलर नहीं होगा वो तमाम अमीर होगा but was selfish in cunning पर देखो चालाक समझो आए कोई डालो मतलब पर इंसान होगा he often took runs plots without paying and season में जब उनके plots से उगाए तो उनमें ऐसी करे उनको सर्विस without paying पढ़ी हुआ तो तो लाडो तो फ्रेंड आया लाडो होस्टिंग कर लो वगैरह वगैरह मान के बता दिया सारा था दोस्त है। But during winter when Hans was poor and in need, the miller avoided him for fear that Hans might ask for any help. Over the winter in the arm में उनके fruits and plants न उगाए ने तब वो avoid कर दो और वरना काम पत्ता में भी किसी के तो Hans का financial help बुरे खाली केयर बुरी सके तो नोट से वगैरह कौन सी। When Hans later wished to buy a wheelbarrow when the fruit season was gone, the miller promised him his old one, but cunningly made Hans give him a wooden plank and repair the roof of his storehouse in return. Despite Hans' efforts, the miller never gave him a wheelbarrow. वो मेरे मेरी मतलब कि wheelbarrow जो नीड हो गया इसके मतलब कि wheelbarrow पकड़ी तो बोले चलो हम लोग निकल तो के लिए बाय बोले नो प्लांट की मींस गार्डन जो तक तो सेंटीमीटर है वो भी चलो वो स्टोर हाउस में फाइव रिपेयर करने जी रूप में घड़ी करे फाइल देते ओ ॾाढो जेको आहे एफर्ट्स लगायो हुनखे सॼो ठाहे ॾींदो आहे, बट उन खां बावजूद बि मिलर हुनखे वीलबारो ठाहे ॾींदो। On stormy night, Miller asks sons to carry Dr. Poe's injured son. मिलर जे पुट खे धक लॻंदो आहे ऐं तूफानी जेको आहे राति जो मिलर चवंदो आहे हाणे मां कीअं वञा, मां अंके जेको आहे मोकिलियां थो। अंके चवंदो आहे हाणे मां जेको आहे डॉक्टर खे वठी अच। पोइ अंश लॻे चवंदो आहे त मूंखे लैंटर्न ॾे, यू कैन लैंटर्न। त चवंदुसि नो यू माइट टेक इट, जेको आहे भरी न छॾे तूं, तंहिंजे करे तूं ईअं वञ। Braving the dark night, Hans set out alone to living to अकेले को lost his way and barely drowned in a pool of water. तो ऐसी गाल तो पानी जो रात को जाओ लेटर में जाओ कुछ भी हो गया उसको भटकी नहीं हुआ आए कि तालाब के करीब आए पूरी हुआ मरी हुआ। At Hans' funeral, the miller pretended to be heartbroken, crying and displaying false dreams to appear as a loyal friend. वो बेगे में जनाब में बैठो हुआ है लाडो ये बात हो रही हुआ आड़ी तो हुआ क्या लाडो सुनो दोस्त में मैंने जो प्रिटेंड कर दो नाटक कर दो दिमाग में खबर है क्या सही स्टोरी हंस उनके सिंसियर हुयो या कंपो करे हर एक चीज मींस देखो उनजे पॉसिबिलिटी हुई वो पंहिंजे तरफां करे पियो बट इन रिटर्न जेको मिलर हुयो उनजो सिर्फ फ़ाइदो को वठे ऐं उनजे रिटर्न में कार में जी फाइनेंशियल हेल्प या डिक्की न हेल्प की सके भई वो उनकी न पियो करे तो ये एक वन साइडेड फ्रेंडशिप वारो लेसन हुयो एक अक्षर तो समझती होगा वन साइडेड फ्रेंडशिप हो गया ता में हुंदो अक्षर में अक्षर का फ्रेंड्स हुंदा वो ये कंदा था ताकि कंदा हुंदो वो रिक्वायर्स द जनरल के नीड हो गया तो कोचिंग को अलाउड सरकार ने नीड हो गया तो चंदा मां मुझे बात चाहते तो सरे पप्पा मुझे कम देनो आ घणा एक्सपीरियंस के था लेकिन थींदो आ तो थिंग इज बाबा कोशिश करे ये जो सुठा थियो फ्रेंडशिप में कैसा मायने रखता है फ्रेंडशिप में तहां जेको चाहियो था वो मायने रखंदो आहे मां चाहियो ये के न हमेशा अगले जी सोच ॾिसबी आहे अगलो छा थो चाहे अगले जी कहिड़ी थिंकिंग आहे कहिड़ी नीड्स वो कहिड़ी परेशानी में आहे या न आहे अंडरस्टैंडिंग की सुठी डेवलप थियल हूंदो त फ्रेंड्स बि सुठा ई तव्हां जा हूंदा अॻिते करे छा आहे त वरी पोइ असांजो माहौल ऐं इन में का कंहिंजी ग़लती कोन्हे मां ग़लती न चवंदो आहियां त ग़लती आहे जेको आहे सेल्फिश माण्हू आहे छा चलो बाबा हर एक इंसान की पंहिंजी नेचर आहे कंहिंजी का ग़लती कोन्हे हिन में बट असां ट्राई करे सघूं था उनखे सुठो करण तो त इंसान पंहिंजो आदतूं चेंज करे सघे थो पंहिंजी नेचर खे थोरो असां चेंज करे सघूं था हा भले फील थिए थो पर फीलिंग खे तव्हां ख़तमु करे सघंदा आहियो यार इहा ग़लति ॻाल्हि आहे मुंहिंजो फ्रेंड जेको आहे अनईज़ी फील कंदो मां हुनखे जेको आहे ॿुधाए हीअ शइ चवां थो पियो ऐं रिटर्न मां हुनखे कुझु नथो ॾियां हू जॾहिं चवंदो आहे त मां न आहियां कंदो हुनजे लाइ उन सां तव्हांजा जेके फ्रेंडशिप जा जेके रिलेशनशिप्स आहिनि ख़राबु न आहे कहिड़ो बि रिलेशन हुजे जेकॾहिं म्यूचुअल न हूंदो त ख़राबु थींदो कहिड़ो बि even in your house in your family घर में भी करे असां सही न हलंदा हलंदे सां त उहो असांखे हलाइनि था पिया मां ॻाल्हि छॾियां तव्हांखे घर वारनि सां बि थोरो माण्हू अहिड़े वे में हुजे जेको वे ॾाढो सुठो आहे छो त इंसान जी नेचर ई आहे अॻिलो बंदो केयर कंदो असां बि केयर हुनखे ॾींदा पर जेकॾहिं न तव्हां चवंदा त मूंखे केयर मिले अॻिलो बंदो जी बि मूंखे मिले पर मूंखे मुंहिंजी केयर घर में अक्सर ॿार ई हूंदा आहिनि मम्मा पापा मूंसां सही हलनि मां जवाबु ॾींदोमांनि मुंहं ते मां न कंदुमि मुंहिंजो कमु पोइ मुंहिंजियूं ॻाल्हियूं मूंखे अचे मिले अहिड़ियूं ॻाल्हियूं जेके आहिनि इहे सही न आहे अदरवाइज़ आख़िर में चवंदा तव्हांजी मर्ज़ी आहे तव्हां वधायो है ना और सब एक के नाय करो our work is to tell you the things and your work is do those things or not it's your choice okay have a nice day tomorrow we are going to start